So good things when we got to the cabin, the contractor was hard at work installing the tongue and groove ceilings. Looks really good. We decided we'd go ahead and pull out our scaffolding for the contractor to make his job just a tad bit easier.
So we're hanging out at Cameron's house, and he is working on his lofts. So pretty cool. So now he's gonna work on this one and then build some ladders. So pretty awesome. Looking good, Cameron.
Cameron's cabin right now. Yeah. From all the smoke, it looks like it's time for a new blade for my saw.
Trying to figure out the right angle of the ladder.
Is that what you're telling me to do? Yeah, I like your idea. I was just using too big of a board. I did do your idea. I did what you told me to do.
I know, that's why I said great idea, Cameron. You did a good job.
Thank you, Dad.
That's how I would have done it.
Thanks for the tip.
So our people that were doing the ceiling have left for the day, which gave us an awesome opportunity to bring the cabinets inside. So we're gonna have some puzzle time with our kitchen cabinets and go see how good they're gonna look. So we only brought the base cabinets. We'll bring the top cabinets out next week, but let's go play, come on. Look, oh my goodness, that went really fast. Man, that's space already. Okay, so a spot for the refrigerator, and then the oven, and then we'll see if we can turn that into a pantry.
That's a match the ceiling.
They complement the ceiling. Oh, how about that, baby?
Awesome.
So we're playing with another idea.
30.5, we're good. We're golden.
Taking the pantry out of
The equation.
maybe.
Absolutely.
I mean, we're just playing.
I think this works. I think it's great. This twerks.
So we got all of our cabinets lined up. So we're gonna take the ones that we didn't use over to Cameron's house and get his set up. Pretty exciting. I guess I'll just walk over there. It's fine. It's fine. Everything is fine. Okay, we're back to Cameron's house again.
Here's my island. It's a private island. It's not that big. But it's
Pretty big. Yeah, look at that. That'll be so fun. That looks really good. Well done. Just you.
Hi.
This sweet baby thinks she's in jail. Come here, Bella. Come on. Over this way. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Bella. Good morning. So yesterday as we were out and about, we found a ton of wild blackberries. So this morning we are gonna go along the property lines and go get some fresh blackberries, maybe make some jam. Okay, check it out. All along the side of the road, there's just blackberries everywhere. So we're gonna get to work. Pretty hard to pick berries with a dog in your hand.
You'll be done.
Some big ones right here. These smaller ones we've taste tested and they're a little bit bitter, so I'm just trying to grab the big ones. Super fun!
All right, so we're a little early in the season for the blackberries, the wild blackberries, but you can see these here, they're still red, they're gonna turn dark. They look like raspberries, but they're not. Last year we didn't have any. We've heard that the blackberries only come out every other year, so that would make sense if it's true, but we haven't researched that. So next weekend until June should be really good, being lots of fresh blackberry jam.
Absolutely. Pretty cool. It's pretty cool to think that this is our property and it's just a natural harvest. One of the blessings, tender mercies that just happen to come. It's pretty cool.
Yep, don't have to fertilize them, don't have to straighten them up, don't have to water them, trim them, nothing. They just happen.
Yep, just a blessing from Heavenly Father pouring down.
Yeah.
So here's our harvest. We did good.
We're gonna starve to death this year. That's our harvest.
For today, this morning.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So not bad. The next couple of weeks should get better.
It's gonna get great.
It's gonna get great.
We're gonna make jam.
We're gonna get our jam on.
You be jammer. Be jammer. You missed it.
Maybe Tony will
Sick
teach you how
dance
to
music.
make freezer jam.
Yeah, jam.
Yeah. So just wanted to show that the culvert is working and we don't have water pooling here and the road is no longer washing out. So I probably need to drop a little bit of dirt in here to bring it up a little bit right here. But
I'm sorry, I walked away. Hold on. You said you need to do what?
I need to drop a little dirt so it doesn't wash underneath the culvert. Start to sprinkle.
Trail cam has new batteries. We are good to go. Bueno, bueno.
So
He's checking his phone to see if we show up in pictures. We like taking a drive before we leave, but somewhere along the way,
yeah, I'll have to put a plug in it.
got a nail in a tire. No bueno.
Probably.
So we didn't get as much done as we would have liked to this weekend. The guys who are installing the tongue and groove didn't get quite as far as they would have liked to, so we're needing to wait until they complete the living room and the kitchen area before we can put the cabinets in. But it's looking super awesome. We're very excited.
Yeah, it looks great. We're excited to have it finished and move on to the next step. So if you like our content, please smash that like button and subscribe. And as always, go have an adventure of your own.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.